can probably guess I didn't go run this morning. When I saw -3 on the temperature when I woke up, I said there's no way. And now it's 2 degrees, so it's not much better. But I'm gonna have to go run tonight. I made the mistake of getting horizontal on my couch with my pillows. And the fireplace is going and it's nice and warm and toasty in my apartment. I gotta get moving. Gotta get dressed, then I'm gonna go run. For better or for worse. So I'm 3 kilometers in and my right foot is numb. Like I can't feel it anymore. So I'm gonna walk a little bit. It's very strange. It's numb. Okay. So I did 4 kilometers. At about 3 kilometers in, my right foot went numb and then my left foot went numb. So I felt like I was running on cushions with needles. It was really weird and they're still numb. So I'm gonna go massage them a little, but it's a really weird feeling. This has never happened to me before when I run. Is it psychological? I don't know, I don't think so. They're really numb. I didn't go run this morning since I ran like 12 hours ago. And I also have a customer dinner and a customer lunch today. So I'm gonna switch running with strength training and then I have a yoga class at 4:30. And I left my watch at home. So you just have to believe me. I'll try to film the yoga. Yoga is done. It's about 5:45. So that was the strength training for today. And now we're going to dinner with some customers. Right, it's 11:30. I just got home from the work dinner. It was a lot of fun, but now I just want to go to bed and wake up at the last possible minute tomorrow. Everything's under control still, just making choices. And now I'm choosing to go to bed and sleep in until 6:45 instead of 5 a.m. No running tomorrow. Good night. We did. Oh.
There's a lot to see, a lot to do. Recently I've realized I like doing it all with you. Take my hand, twirl me around.
It's really snowing out there. It's full on snow. I'm gonna have to scrape my car. It's the first snow. Oh, I'm so happy I didn't go run this morning. Because I don't have the appropriate clothes to run in snow yet. All I have is sweaters. This is amazing.
I've been dreaming of this moment, hoping for something real, for something real. Way back when
I'm on my way home. It's 5 p.m. and I know a run is awaiting me. And I'm trying to get in the mood. Woo! I'm going running. So exciting. Can't wait. In the snow. My first run in the snow for this season. So I'm talking like I'm an experienced runner that's been running for years now. But it's been 2 weeks and a half. Okay, it's time to go. I have multiple layers on. Because it's a little chilly. And I've also decided that I'm not gonna do 5 kilometers, then 6. I'm gonna stick at just running. What is this bad habit of always needing to push too quickly to do more? Running is already such a challenge after not doing it for years. 3 kilometers is a lot. 4 kilometers is a lot. So I'm just gonna run 4 times a week. I'm not just gonna keep pushing and pushing and pushing. It's important to keep pushing, but I think we have to be kind to ourselves. And I have this bad habit of always needing to do more and needing to perform and putting pressure on myself. So no, this is a running challenge. I'm just gonna run. And if it's 3, it's 3. If it's 4, it's 4. If it's a slow 4, if it's a fast 3, who cares? What's important is that I'm getting outside and I'm running and I'm doing it. So this was my pep talk to remind myself that it's okay to sometimes push yourself, but go slow, you know? Take it chill. So, yeah, that being said, let's go run in the snow.
Hang on to a heart so cold. Letting go is the only way to free myself from years of pain.
This is kind of like driving a car with summer tires in a snowstorm. It's difficult. Oh my God.
Who thought I'd be so free? Love like this is all I need. Never thought I'd be so.
I know I cannot see it through. I got my head on straight, so you.
2.2 kilometers. So far, so good.
Can bear my truth.
I did 3.5 kilometers. I'm super happy. This was a sweaty one. Look at my face. Oh my God, I'm so red. I did 3.5 to push myself a little more than 3, but I didn't have it in me to do 4. So 3.5. I'm trying not to say I don't want to go run anymore because I think that's bad juju. So instead I'm gonna, when I feel like saying I don't want to go run anymore, I'm gonna try to say I can't wait to feel good after my run. So just, you know, switching the energy around. Hello, Friday afternoon. It's 3 p.m. I was supposed to go run again today since I inverted days, but honestly, my stomach hurts. I don't have the courage to go run. So we're gonna do a 30-minute arm, I think it's arm or full body dumbbell workout. It looks intense. It looks very intense. So I won't be running, but at least I'll be sweating in between doing boxes. I started doing boxes, so.
On the shelf, don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise.
Good morning, we're Saturday. I was supposed to stay in Montreal this weekend, but I can't seem to stand still these days. I have to be on the move all the time. Otherwise I get into an anxiety mode. I don't like it at all. So I'm heading to St. George. I'm bringing a lot of stuff from my apartment. I started packing and I'm doing a first trip. Got a 4-hour drive ahead of me. I'm gonna go run tonight in very cold weather, but that's part of the game. And yeah, overall this is a good Saturday. So let's drive home.
Ghost of time, is it worth a second try? Will I rise above the clouds?
Hello, I made it home to my parents in St. George and it's time to go run. It's actually much colder than Montreal here. Let's go for a between 3 and 4 kilometer run.
Conversations with myself can get so out of hand, but I think I'm getting closer to the truth. Not everything that's thorn and lights can make it past the glare, and to make a change that lasts beyond its youth.
That was a good one. 3 kilometers. Really good pace for me. I think I'm starting to actually really enjoy running. So it's a good thing I'm moving back to this city where there's great running places. I think it will become part of my permanent routine. Good morning. You have my Sunday sleepy face in front of you. This week was amazing. I'm really happy. I love the running, and I can now reflect. It's been 16 weeks of this challenge, and I can reflect on the months. And I would say that the 10,000 steps in the running challenge are the months that I felt the best. And I think everything's important. Strength training, of course, to be able to pull myself up, the eating healthy to lose weight because I want to eliminate some pounds. So that's important. But the 10,000 steps in the running are the one that were the most uncomfortable for me because it doesn't come naturally to be active to me. And they're the one that I find the most beneficial. Just going outside and making an effort and getting out of the house. 16 weeks in, I'm nowhere near being able to pull myself in a lobster boat. But this week, I really healthy. I lost 4 pounds this week. I was really intentional with my effort. I ran. I'm starting to enjoy being active. And even if in July I can't pull myself in a lobster boat, if I am able to build a healthy routine that will follow me for the rest of my life, that will keep me healthy and happy, then that will have been the biggest reward ever. But I will pull myself into that lobster boat. But I feel super happy this morning. And I would really say that if you're looking to start a challenge like this, start with 10,000 steps a day. It really, for me, made the world of a difference. And in 6 months, I will pull myself in that lobster boat. My ass will never have been so tight from running and strength training. My back will be so strong. I'm just gonna pull myself up. It's coming. I believe in myself. And weeks like this week help me believe in myself. So, thank you for watching. This is how to get in a lobster boat. Long edition, running edition, and I'll see you next week.